And you can that'll work as well. So yeah, definitely.
Because like it had like if you're gonna give us something with the denominator 3 and the exponent, then that essentially says, oh, do this.
Exactly, and that's a good insight there by Luke there, right? Because remember we said on the previous board.
Unless you're gonna be evil and give us some sort of strange number.
We'll get to strange numbers in a sec. Yeah, this one. Yeah. All right, B says. Let's do oh, I don't know. 125 to the 4/3. Okay. Can someone please be brave and tell me what the inside bracket should be? What should the exponent be inside the brackets? 5 cubed, very good. Okay. Now again, the hint is because for 125, you know it's going to be 5. But the idea is it's not the 5 part that's important. You want the exponent to match the denominator. Okay, we got the logic there? Emily, you good? Okay. I can't believe you've been an excellent poker player, I bet one day, okay? So 3, and that's going to match up for that. So, now for the magic of this question. What's 3 times 4 over 3? 4, so just 5 to the 4. Okay? And since this is exponent class, you can leave it just like that. Okay? Oh, okay. Are we sort of okay with what's happening here, right? We're just getting into fractions. That's what we're trying to do. That's the logic we're doing here. Okay? I'm going to pick up the intensity slightly in a moment. Are we okay so far before I keep going? Yes? Yeah. Letter C. Now this looks scary. Please don't be afraid. Okay, you can do it. Now there's 2 brackets there. You guys don't have this. Don't worry about it. Okay, can someone be brave looking at the numerator, 128 to the 2 over 7? What do you think the exponent's going to have to be for that?
Is that 32 or
32. 30, not 3, it's 32, sorry. 128, what do you want to change 128 to be? Oh, goodness. Something to the 7th, very good. Okay, it has to instantly be because you want to balance the exponent. Okay, in the same way, some of them, what are we going to want to change the denominator into? Something to the 5th. Okay. Okay. Now, what to the 7 is 128? You can use your trusty dusty calculator if you have to here. 2 to the 7. Which is nice. So what you would just do is just check and say to yourself, like, just do this, right? See what you get. Okay, right? Generally, I'm going to be nice in this class. Every number is going to be under 10. Okay, I'm not going to say like 13 to the power, like that's going to take a long time to get, right? So the numbers will be small that you're checking here, okay? And later on in this unit, we'll find ways to instantly do it with no thought, the calculator is a powerful weapon in this unit. Okay, what to the 5 is equal to 32? Oh, and 2. Oh, lovely. Okay. And the nice thing is here, I want this to simplify, right? So it's going to be nice here. Okay, someone other than Owen and Luke. 2 to the 7 to the power 2 over 7. It's going to be what, Liam?
sorry, 2 squared and
Yeah.
2/3.
Great. Now, of course, we are not quite done, but we're getting close. What's 2 squared divided by 2/3, 2 cubed going to equal? 2 to the negative 1. Which is going to be 1/2. And that's cool. Okay, this is one of the things I like about math, taking something awful, like the first line, and taking it down to something nice, which is 1/2. Okay? Are we okay on the logic of what's happened here? Are we relatively okay? Yes, a little bit? Just what are you laughing at? What's wrong?
Everything.
Yes. But no, you want to leave your power rules in there, right? That's what I'm going to leave. Just leave an exponential form, right? So you could do that 4 rate if you want to. But I want to do power rules if I can here. Okay? All right, let's go here. Okay, please put a star beside this question. Okay, because you will see this in your future, I can guarantee. 25 over 36 to the negative 3 over 2. Okay, we didn't really talk about this yesterday, but I sort of hinted at it. When you have a fraction, what's the power rule going to be with a fraction? Yeah, there's going to be subtraction involved there somewhere. So if you go fraction and there's an exponent on the outside, what's that going to be? Somewhere? It's going to apply to both the top and the bottom, okay? So I'm going to write this as then 25 to the negative 3 over 2 over 36 to the negative 3 over 2. Okay, we're feeling good, but not yet great. What are we going to change 25 into? Liam, go. 5 squared. What, this stuff here? Yes. Because it's going to get complicated here in a second. Okay, so I just want to make sure that you know what I mean, that you're showing your works that we're doing. Okay, someone other than Liam, what is 36 and change into tonight? Remember, I told my afternoon class this last year, and I said, my New Year's resolution was to touch my toes. I was going to
Can you do it?
because one of the teachers told me this, that like if you stretch like an hour a day or something, you can get closer to touching your toes. I don't know if it's an hour a day. She said, no, what she said was, she said that she was coaching, she said she was coaching gymnastics, and they wouldn't let her do it because she couldn't touch her toes. So like for half an hour, I don't know if it was half an hour, but a certain number, like she stretched and she couldn't touch her toes. And that's one of my life goals. Because even when I was a teenager, I couldn't touch my toes, right? So.
Can you touch?
What's that? I know it is, but that's why I got to do it. Like it's, like you know, people talk about the bucket list. I don't have a bucket list, but if I did, that would be the number one.
Touch toes.
I have to touch someone else's toes, or my own toes.
I'd like
Okay.
to watch that in movie. That was fun.
Okay. Why did I tell you guys that? Okay, 5 squared to the negative 3 over 2. What does that change into? Oh, all right. I'll take it in your word for it. It's only out here. 5 to the negative 3 over 6 to the negative 3. I'm not happy with that yet. How do you deal with those negatives? Flip them. So it's going to be 6 cubed over 5 cubed. I'm going to pause the video and take a break. Then we'll move on to variables. Okay? Okay, are we just sort of sinking in for people? Okay? Right? It's just another algebra for exponents. That's all it is there. Correct? Yeah, because like remember, negative means like flip from numerator to denominator, and the same thing with the denominator to the numerator. All right. No, they don't, because it's like 6 times 6 times 6 or 5 times 5 times 5. So. Okay, let me hit pause in the video here, and then we'll keep going.
Got it.
Oh my God.